In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a Canva account. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital presence or simply want to close your Canva account for any other reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Rest assured, this is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Canva website. Once you're on the home page, if you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to do so by entering your credentials. This will ensure you have access to all the necessary settings to proceed with the deactivation or deletion of your account. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the settings icon. It's usually found in the menu section of your profile. Clicking this icon will take you to your account settings page. Here you'll see a variety of options that allow you to manage different aspects of your account. From here you'll be selecting the account settings. Now that you're in the account settings, look for the option labelled Log In, which allows you to access basic security features. It's essential to explore this area when making significant changes to your account settings. Here you'll have the opportunity to check and manage your login credentials and related data, but more importantly it's where we'll find the option to delete or deactivate your account. As you navigate, there's an option specifically for delete account. Clicking this will bring up a prompt confirming you really wish to delete your account. At this stage, it's crucial to be entirely sure about your decision, as deleting your account will permanently remove all your content and data from Canva. If there's anything you wish to keep, take a moment to back it up before proceeding. Once you are certain about deleting your account, follow through with the on-screen instructions. Canva may ask you to confirm your password, adding a layer of security to ensure this action is intentional. After you complete this step, your account will be permanently deleted. It's a good practice to log out from all devices after deletion, securing any residual access points. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to deleting or deactivating your Canva account. Remember, once deleted, your account and all its data cannot be retrieved. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.